Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations. Join me for a great technique video from Gelli Arts on how to get the perfect gel plate press prints every single time. Let's jump right in.
So this concept right here, this is our perfect placement tool, and this is meant for plates 5x7, 3x5, 5x7, 6x6, and this is all marked. Right now it's set up for an 8x10. But these all move, and it tells you where to put it depending on the size plate that you're using.
Okay.
And then your plate goes right down in here. Let's see if I got 5x7, 5x7, 5x7. So your plate goes down in here, and you're going to have a perfect border centered every time on 8.5x11 paper. Now that's our full-size one. This is the mini placement tool, which I will demo as requested. So I'm just going to put some acrylic paint down here. Let's have two colors. Now this guide here gives you perfect placement every time. So if you're doing multiple layers of prints, you put that right in the corner, right on your paper, and just put my fingers in it. And then you put your paper edge right against these red guides. So my first print is here. Okay, that would be my first print. And then I'm gonna do take my second print, put the stencil down, a little more paint. Okay, I'm going to pull that on. Put that placement tool back, and then I'm going right back over the top.
And it's going to put it right back in the
right there,
same place.
So I'm going to have that same border every time, and it doesn't matter which way you use it, so it doesn't, left hand, right hand, does not matter. But right over the top, and see, you can put it down here if you're more comfortable at the bottom.
Okay, and so if you wanted to do a third layer, same thing. And
same, I'll do it again.
Oh, okay, okay.
Do it again. Absolutely.
That's great with the smaller plates. Absolutely. Because that's always the guesswork as to, okay,
correct.
Am I going to get it back on there?
There is no guesswork. We're taking that out. And that was like one of the questions we kept getting was, how do you get like the prints back, in a different location and make sure it's going to be lined up?
That's excellent. You can keep relining and relining and relining, and even using
print after print after print.
Oh my gosh, even your caramel plates and all that stuff, it would be.
And the same thing with the larger one. So this one is really meant for like 5x7 and below plates. But the other one goes 3x5, 5x7, 8x10, all the way up. You can use that.
Even with a 12x12? Oh, okay, perfect.
And again, it's
okay.
Again, it's gonna, the size of paper too, because you gotta accommodate the size of paper. But I've used it on canvas and whatnot. It works great. Perfect. But I can keep layering and layering and layering.
Now, when it comes to your transfers, okay, I've done the image transfer. I never thought of doing text.
Okay, so do you want me to
Oh, that'd be great, because I've never done text, and I love text.
So here's the thing: I'm doing it out of a magazine. We have found that the this multi-surface folk art works really great because image transfers can be tricky. Well, they are tricky, and every time I do it, I pull a different print. But what I like to do is take like the fashion magazines. I'm gonna look and see if I pulled any out. Oh, I'll do this. So it's gonna work with your like fashion magazines, your National Geographics, that high glossy ink. And I'll do this because you requested book text or something out of it. And then laser images out of a laser printer. And it just depends on your laser, but I put mine on best quality and I get great prints. Not an inkjet laser.
I've never used LaserJet. Never thought of it.
So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down. I never care about like exactly what I'm... No, and I'm just going lightly over this and just making sure there's no air bubbles. If there's air bubbles, it will kind of look like this, which that does not bother me.
Nope. Oh, look at that.
Isn't that cool? So now, this needs to dry, which does not take long. Got a thin layer of paint, but I'm just using this fan. And then I'm going to use, I'll pick it up with white paint. You don't have to, just another contrasting color. This would work great. Oh, is this the same? Oh, it is the same. I know, it doesn't work when she's watching or standing right next to me. But when she's not, I mean, I pulled that last one. I was like, ooh, hallelujah, it worked. So you're a store?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Where are you out of?
It's by Tallahassee.
And you have our products?
We do. And Spectrum Art Creations. Spectrum Art Creations, yes.
She's got me on video, so this better turn out. I say a prayer.
Okay.
I say a little prayer for you.
And it worked like magic.
It was the prayer.
Love it.
Always
Love
the paper prayer. And your boss is watching you.
Well, thank you so much. That turned out beautiful.
You're welcome. Yeah, if you have any questions, but yes, and Luann can help you on the placement too.
Yes. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Beautiful, wonderful techniques. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Why? Well, because we're doing a giveaway. We're giving away gift cards, and one of them might have your name on it. So make sure that you leave a gift card. As soon as we reach 20 comments, the gift cards will start to flow. So make sure you also share it with your friends, and don't forget to give it a like, a thumbs up. Another reminder is don't forget to visit our online stores for the products that you have seen here. Yes, we carry Gelli Art products in our online stores, and thousands more products are also available. We have 2 online stores to serve you, SpectrumArtCreations.com and our Etsy store, Spectrum Art Creations. Both have the same name. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because you need to join us and get notifications. We have live sales right here on this channel every week, and you don't want to miss out on the latest and greatest products. You can shop live, you can see the product live, you can also enter games and giveaways and do it all from the comfort of home. And then, of course, have all of your great craft and art supplies delivered directly to your home. If you are on Facebook, make sure that you check out our Facebook group, Spectrum Art Creation Friends. There you can see lots of great inspirations from other artists just like yourself. And of course, you can share your makes and your questions. It's a great community to be a part of. Also, the Facebook group is full of challenges and giveaways as well. So again, make sure you check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell for notifications. And if you hop on over to our online store to check out the product, make sure you also sign up for the free newsletter. That way you can also get notifications of when we are live, when new videos are uploaded, and maybe some coupons and other interesting goodies for you. Okay, I'm going to leave this other video for more inspiration, so I will see you there.